Solana is among the biggest losers as cryptos bleed amid concerns over the fierce war between Israel and Hamas. The competitive smart contracts token lost 4.2% of its value to trade slightly above $21. Bitcoin and Ethereum are also in the red, down 1.3 and 1.5% respectively, to trade at $26,697 and $1,544. The market capitalization, which had rallied above $1.1 trillion last week due to the excitement surrounding the SEC's approval of Ether futures exchange-traded funds in the U.S., has tumbled to $2.08 trillion a day. And the Solana price is in a risky spot as it balances on the cliff's edge. The 100-day exponential moving average blew fall on the rejection from resistance at $25 at the beginning of October. It has been a downward spiral. With the ball in the bear's court, the bulls must successfully defend the 100-day EMA support at $21.17 to reduce the risk of Sol falling below $20. The moving average convergence divergence is in support of the bearish outlook after confirming a buy signal in the daily time frame. As long as the MACD line in blue holds below the signal line in red, path with the least resistance will stay on the downside. A break below the immediate support would mark the short seller's party who may want to start booking profits at $20. Other key support areas to keep in mind while trading Solana include 17.5 and 15.5. Beyond this, we could be staring at a similar crash that befell SOL during the FTX implosion in November. The release of the U.S. Consumer Price Index is hurting the crypto, despite data showing inflation is easing in the greenback nation. According to a report from the Bureau of Labor Statistics, CPI rose 0.4% in September compared to 0.6% in August, the biggest hike in 14 months. From the start of the year to September, the CPI increased by 3.7%. But the metric on a year-over-year basis revealed that prices have decreased from the 9.1% peak in June 2022. Economists are already predicting that the Fed will keep interest rates unchanged at the end of the next month's meeting on November 1st. John Swan, Bitcoin's head of private client services, said in a statement, given the recent move higher in Treasury yields and recent commentary from Fed officials, it appears that the Fed is likely to keep rates constant at their next meeting on November 1st. However, the war in the Middle East between Israel and Hamas could negatively impact oil prices, which might knock on the core inflation. There are more macro events and related speeches this week, but they have little impact on the crypto market, which is still mainly going independent. For example, the release of our CPI data today had almost no impact on the market. On the one hand, the data released was in line. As the country Greeks live October 12th, 2020. For now, traders should be keen on how Solana reacts to support at the 100-day EMA. A break below could trigger a sell-off, while an immediate rebound might allow for consolidation before the next move to $25 and $30, respectively. Ethereum price prediction as market capitalization shrinks, let the ETH recovery rate. Platypus Finance loses $2 MLM in a latest security breach. Binance v. judge announces multiple orders, limits amicus curiae filings.